how much it takes. I'm basically empty. $35 for 11 gallons. I guess I wasn't that empty because my car takes 12 gallons, but close enough. Little overview. Ooh. We got the goods. So here are the new shirts. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? Got them screen printed. Oh my gosh. I love how they came out. I love this so much. Always under construction, because you guys know if you have a project car or if you work on your car is always under construction. It is never fully finished because always something comes up or you always want to change something. So this was just very fitting, and I know a lot of people can relate. I'm so excited to finally shoot with these. I do have a photo shoot set up. It is not for like another 2 weeks. So I'm gonna be wearing this shirt around, taking my own photos and stuff until I can do the shoot and revamp the website. I've already been redoing it, but I just need those photos. So yeah, I won't be able to do it until about 2 weeks. Guys, I just put it on. I'm so obsessed with it. Let me show you the back. See if I can do it like this. I literally... This is my new favorite shirt. Love this color. It's like a sand, beigey, creamy, off-white. I was trying to go for an off-white, but I ended up going with the more type of sand color just because it's a little different. If you guys didn't know, Stripless is my brand. I created it in like 2021 and we're going into 2023. So that just seems so crazy that I started this about 2 years ago. It hasn't really been go, go, go for those whole 2 years. So it's kind of like taking a break, and then I just kind of fell off of it and then didn't really continue it. It just wasn't really consistent. It's actually my 2023 word is consistency. I feel like that was my word last year. I can honestly say and be real with myself that I was not consistent. Let me know what your guys' #1 goal is for this new year, or just in general. It doesn't even have to be for the new year. A lot of people say, oh, you don't have to wait to the new year to make a resolution or make a new goal. I've been so excited to start the new year just because I feel like it's like a reset for me. I feel like this year I didn't do everything that I wanted to do, which was be consistent with YouTube, with this, with friends, with family, with anything in my life. I want to be consistent. I have so many goals for the new year. I literally have been writing them down to try and manifest them. Like, write down your main goal for the new year, or just your life goal in general, and start manifesting that, because literally once you write it down or say it out loud, it is more likely to come true. So about to be the new year. I'm not going to shoot with these yet. I'm probably going to shoot with these shirts in about 2 weeks, and that's basically the only thing I have left. I had all the other products that I'm releasing ready for so long. I was just waiting for this. It's been a long process, but we finally got here. I'm so in love with the shirts, honestly. So excited. I'm so proud of them. So I hope you guys like them as well. This drop is probably going to get released right before my birthday, which makes it even more exciting. I'm already going to be excited celebrating my birthday, and then a new Stripless drop, and then the new year. It's just... I love January. I love December and January so much. Like, it's just the best time of the year for me. Honestly, now, since I don't get them pre-bagged, I pre-package everything. And watch a previous video about Stripless. I was talking about how I got a team together and I was getting help with Stripless. I'm doing everything again myself, which I'm actually excited about because I miss doing everything myself. Like, some sense of control again for my own brand. I'll be showing a lot more behind the scenes, like packaging orders or just like days in my life. Videos like these. So if you guys like these videos, let me know and I'll definitely make more. You know, I'm just taking you guys along with me on my day. It's kind of more of a behind the scenes of my small business, but it's also just a fun vlog. And I'll probably take you guys along with me for my whole week. Another word of mine is productivity. I want to be productive. That's another thing I struggle with, but it's because of motivation. But it's not so much that I don't have motivation, it's just I need to work on discipline. That's really what it is. Like, you don't need motivation, you need discipline. So that's what I'm trying to learn. Actually, my new word for 2023 is discipline, because that at the end of the day is going to make me consistent. If I have discipline on myself, I'll be consistent. It is so gloomy today and rainy, so I am actually throwing on a sweater. But you know, I had to put on a past Stripless drop. You guys have this hoodie. Let me know if you guys have it. Check the fridge. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I need to make sure I have everything for lunch slash dinner. It's probably gonna be like a late lunch. It's already 2 o'clock. I only ate cereal for breakfast because I had to get out of the house. So this is my plan breakdown for today. I went to go pick up the shirts. My main goal for today was scope out areas to go take pictures with the 240 and the shirt. Try to find a construction zone. I don't know where I'm gonna find that, but I'm gonna look around. I need to just using the fridge lighting right now. I want to find somewhere close by that I don't have to drive the 240 for at all. Actually, I'm gonna do that first. Even though I'm starving, I'm gonna do that first and then go to the grocery store. It's the 240 in question that I don't want to freaking drive anywhere far. I haven't even put the hood back on. I've literally had no time to sort this car out. Guys, I've had no luck finding a spot. I think I'll be fine, but I don't know. I went to the one spot that I had in my head that maybe there was like a construction zone, but it was crazy and there wasn't really like any pullover areas, so I'm gonna like scope out here a little bit. Honestly, it doesn't have to be a construction zone. I'm gonna bring a cone on my own. That's my vision. Oh, that'd be cool to pull over like right here. Guys, I had zero luck. Ew, I just stepped on whatever that was. Zero luck finding a spot, so I just came to the grocery store. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna look on like Google Maps and stuff and try to find something using like the street view, live view type of thing. Finally get to eat. I needed that. I hadn't eaten all day. I like to look through every single shirt and make sure that there's no damaged ones, and I put the damaged ones to the side. Obviously, I don't send those out. Put them into their little clear bag and I put the size on them just so I could keep track of everything and inventory and stuff. Probably not gonna get to that today, but I am going to check out all the shirts. That's basically all I'm gonna do today.
Several days later.
We found our cone for tomorrow. Oh, look, there's another one over there.
This is hijacking right here.
The getaway car. It's photo shoot day. Russell helping me drive the 240. And then for us to our photo shoot. And now it needs gas. Look at how dumb this gas thing is. I freaking hate it. I'm gonna fix that up. I know it's like part of the kit, but like, how does this even work? $71 to fill her up. This is my first time filling her up all the way. When I first got it, I filled it up with a like gas tank. So her first time seeing the gas station. Ready to rumble? It's also the first time the 240 is going on the freaking freeway. I'm scared for its life, but it'll be okay. We made it. The 240 made it. We're with Juan now. Gonna work his magic. And look at this 8.6 that's over here on the tandems. It looks so clean. I like this roof spoiler. Do you guys think I should get a paint match roof spoiler? I have like the little black one, but I wonder if I could wrap that. That would look so cool. But yeah, the 240 made it. Juan's got his ladder over there. Guys, this is our cone. Our cone, and then I got all the stickers and stuff. I recommend getting a little credit card for this. Oh my god, I didn't even clean. That's so embarrassing. I love it. Rest in peace. My dog sticker. This is terrible.
Behind the scenes of what happens at the photo shoots. We got a brown wheel and a white wheel. It's actually the color of your shirt. You should pose next to it. How are you feeling?
Excited.
Woo. Look at the sunset. It looks sick. If you guys haven't already, check out down in the description and get yourself a shirt.
I don't know.
Look at the back.
I know, but I always tell people because they do that too. They're like,
I think it looks sick. Look at that. Link in the description.
Juan working his magic. This looks like the California dream right here.
yeah, just like that's perfect, yeah.
Oh, we can actually.
Yeah.
Smile? My hair is white. No way. No way right now. And your Civic?
Oh yeah, not for real. Nah, I can do better notice in my Civic than that.
We're like on a time crunch. We're fighting the sun right now.
Grab the door. Act like you're just going in. Yeah.
Getting content on both phones.
That's fire,
Just a little sneak peek. Oh yeah.
Let's see. So, if you want.
Should I just sit so I'm facing there? Hey, look how it is on the shirt. You should do it like that angle.
Oh.
Like a little farther out. Put it like
Yeah, it looks cool right there. Look at that. Looking. Sunset. How cold are you?
freezing. Look at my nipples. They're hard. Air fresheners. I don't know if she showed you guys already, but look. Oh, that's the car. The pins too.
Pins. Does it look like it? He's really driving with the cone on the 240. I'm dead. Successful shoot, you guys. We're leaving. We'll shoot any gas. I need to look for E85 now.
One eternity later.
I just picked up my thank you cards for the new drop. The drop is literally tomorrow, guys. I ordered these like 2 days ago and they've been ready for 2 days, but I barely came to pick them up right now. Look at the new sticker. I love the yellow, guys. Let me show you guys real quick what they look like. Staples is so good for ordering any type of business cards or like your thank you cards. If you ordered from my previous drops, these might look familiar. I didn't do a new design because I don't know. I had like no creativity honestly for these thank you cards. I just kept it the same, but they used to be pink. Don't have those anymore, so I did have to order a new batch, and I decided to do yellow just to be neutral, try something different. I know there's like a bunch of them. That's my little tip. If you have a little small business or want to make business cards, and you just upload your design. I usually use Canva to make all my little designs and like text and stuff. The air freshies freshening. Guys, the website is finally live. Oh my goodness, I am so freaking happy right now and excited that it is finally live. I made all of my Instagram posts already. This is technically a behind the scenes, you know, so I should have recorded the process, but honestly I was stressed because I couldn't decide what photos to post on all of my accounts, so I did this on this account, and then on Street Bliss, of course, I posted these. Woo, we just got another order. Honestly, guys, the support has been so unreal, making me so happy, so grateful for everyone that supports me. If it's someone just commenting or liking my photo or reposting my photo for my drop, like, I appreciate literally everything. It just makes me so happy. This is how the website ended up turning out. I kept it very, very simple. I literally used like the default layout. So yeah, here are the decals. Do follow me. You guys saw I'm offering free shipping and I'm throwing in goodies on all of the orders today and while my supplies last. That's one of the stickers that came out. It's this one. And I love them. I love everything, honestly. Definitely check out the new drop if you haven't at streetbliss.co. order a shirt and the lightning bolt sticker, and then I put the thank you card, and then I put 2 extra stickers. Then I get one of my poly bags.